Welcome back to Laker Real Estate Services Residential Real Estate Investor Due Diligence Checklist. Chapter 5: Verify Square Footage. And Chapter 6: Conduct a Survey. The investor will want to verify the square footage is accurate from the property listing. Oftentimes, the seller's real estate agent will not conduct their own measurements and will take the square footage from the local city or county tax records. They might then state in the original MLS listing language, along the lines, that the buyer's agent is responsible for verifying the square footage noted is accurate. The buyer should not rely on their agent to do this and should conduct their own measurements or hire a third party to conduct an official measurement if it appears the square footage is incorrect based on their own measurements. As many investors know, records are not always accurate. While there is less likelihood, square footage measurements will be inaccurate with single-family homes. The likelihood of inaccurate information grows as the overall property structure size grows. Sometimes a property square footage might be overstated, and if measurements can prove a property is smaller than documented in the original property listing, this would provide added leverage for the buyer in negotiations. Other times, you might find a property is larger than documented. This might be a bonus selling point for a buyer because they might be realizing untapped equity that would be associated with a larger square footage property than originally documented. Either way, it's a good thing to conduct measurements regardless of property type, especially for larger commercial or industrial property types. Chapter 6: Conduct a Survey. A survey might not be necessary if an investment property already has fencing or other clear indications of property lines such as recently placed stakes or posts. However, if a property does not have fencing or other clear indications, which often happens when buying an abandoned house, it might be a good idea to hire a professional local property surveyor while in the due diligence period. Again, if a survey should reveal lot parcel sizes are not accurate or smaller than indicated, this will provide negotiating leverage for the investor. A survey would also help to quell any potential land issues like newly constructed encroachments on the property, such as fences or retaining walls, or quell other general land disputes. That's the end of chapters 5 and 6. Join us next time for Chapter 7: Conduct the Appraisal and obtain a good faith estimate of expenses. Thanks for watching. Our motto is creating value where others won't. Contact us today for any of your Minneapolis, St. Paul Twin Cities real estate needs and experience a new level of value creation in your real estate experiences. We'd love to help you and hear from you. We'll talk soon. Have a great day. LakerRealEstate.com 763-645-4617